A. I did not hear. Oh. Ethan.
They introduce themselves to us.
Themselves, right?
Yes.
Yes. Not themselves. Okay, themselves. Because we're talking about many people. More than one. Number 36. We bought this house. Now it is ours. Leo.
We got this house. Now it is yours. Eh?
Ours, no. Ours without apostrophe. Same without apostrophe. Fix it, please. Fix it. The next one, I need to buy a bottle orange juice. Yes, Logan.
Logan, we bought this house. I need to buy a bottle of orange juice.
I need to buy a bottle of
Orange
orange juice.
Why do people
Juice? Orange juice? Orange juice. Alright, check the rest. Fix if there is.
I can see where.
Okay, check for legit.
No.
No, you need to check. Bully, you need to check.
Teacher, everyone knows my party.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright, do the rest.
What is 8? Finish. Finish. So everyone is most party.
Yes, sir. No one is going to get to see next.
Logan and Aiden, David and Aiden. Believe it. I think behave. You behave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you finish 3, 4, 5, 3. Teacher, everyone is believing and behaving. Behaving? Yes.
Behaving is not only about you keeping quiet in class. You see right now, Ethan was not behaving just now. He knows.
How about me?
How about me?
Teacher, I use magic and snake.
And also, if you're not writing, then you are not behaving.
I'm right.
Even if you are quiet in class, but as long as you're not writing my work, then you are not behaving.
Teacher.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. If you are writing my work, but talking when I say no talking, then you are not behaving.
Teacher, me. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
I use magic and you need to put me in the second. Okay?
You singing during learning time, that's not behaving.
This is not singing, it is magic.
Word.
This is made of Spain. Don't do it. You don't sing. Okay? Don't do this. I'm losing. I don't think. Losing now.
Bye bye guys with my snickers.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. And you go home and we go home too. Oh yes. Bye bye. Hey, look at that.
Close your book.
It's too happy when we go. Everyone, don't stand up. Hey, wait.
Yeah. How many of you?
7.
You say 6.
You did not.
Who is screaming like that? Who is screaming like that?
It's there.
Who is screaming?
It's there.
It's that who knows that.
Very fun, Aiden do too.
Wow, we took them knows that.
Do. They want. We don't like.